Hello, my dear friend. I think that you already know me quite well from my Instagram or Facebook channel. Maybe you've also subscribed to my Telegram channel or you read my articles on the website. But anyway, if you don't know me, I want to introduce myself. My name is Жанна. I'm a Russian language teacher. I have the biggest Instagram community devoted to learning the Russian language. I have been teaching Russian since 2015. My students live all over the world. Today, I want to focus on the aspect of learning new words. Vocabulary is very important for any student learning languages. I always hear complaints of my students that it's very difficult to remember new words. Some of them say that they have bad memory, others confuse words or can't remember the word they need in the most crucial moment. I also had the same feelings when I was learning English, French or Croatian. Moreover, I still continue building my English vocabulary. The method I use was created by German scientist Sebastian Leitner. I tried this method myself and with many of my students. It's extremely effective, and I'll make it even better for you, my dears. The name of the method is spaced repetition. Why is it so effective? A few scientists were studying human memory during long period of time. One of them was Ebbinghaus. He created a forgetting curve. This curve shows the period after learning when we almost forget what we have learned, kind of checkpoints. And it's very important to repeat what you have learned when you almost forget it. So, learn words using this scheme. First repetition in 15 minutes, then 1 hour, then next day, in 3 days, in 10 days, in 30 days, in 90 days. Do you want to hear more about my personal experience with this technique and discover what are the most frequent words that you need to learn and how to find them? Then don't miss my next video.